Okay, so the handstand, wall holds, and shoulder taps. So this is a pretty challenging progression to the handstand wall hold where we're trying to overload shoulder stability. I would strongly recommend that you only do this if you are familiar with pretty heavy loads in the overhead position and if you've got decent athletic preparedness so that you can handle your own body weight. Basically, don't be doing this if you aren't familiar with the handstand position at all. Essentially, you're going to assume the same position you did with the handstand wall hold. However, I would recommend that you take it a little bit further away from the wall so you're not in that completely upright position, just because it can be quite challenging. You're going to brace your abs, okay, and then you're going to slowly take one hand off the ground, reach across, and try and touch the opposite shoulder. The key with this is it should be a touch, okay, a very, very controlled movement, and it shouldn't be a rapid tap. If you're in a position where you can't take one hand off the ground without the movement being relatively quick, you're not ready for that variation, okay? So you need to go back to the normal handstand wall hold, increase the amount of time under tension, and just get used to that position. Once you've touched your shoulder, you should reach down, pause for a second in the handstand position, and again go on the opposite side. Now, naturally, when you do this, your body is going to twist slightly. That's absolutely fine. Just make sure you control that body position and do everything slow and controlled. Once you're done, you can obviously crawl your hands forward and come out of the handstand position, but again, everything should be done within a controlled manner. When you do this, you should be feeling that little bit of extra tension throughout your obliques in particular and around the shoulder girdle, but again, just keep everything under control during the movement.